and welcome back to the Huge Database Office. In the last video I showed you how we turned the printed version of a usage guide, Michael Swan's Practical English Usage, into a searchable PDF using a scanner and OCR software. I also showed how we select and correct the entries from the PDF and collect them in a text document. In this video I will show you how we get the selected entries from the usage guide into the database. So now let's turn to the actual database. This is the home screen of the data entry module of our database. First we check whether the usage guide is already in the database. I go to the usage guide tab and try to find it. As we can see, Practical English Usage is already in the database, but I'll add it again just for this video. I start by clicking the button Add New. I type in the full title of the usage guide, that's Practical English Usage, the publication year and the original year of publication, both of which are 1984. I also enter the edition and impression. This is the first edition, but the impression is unknown, so I choose unknown. I attach the author, Michael Swan, and enter the place of publication and the publisher, which is Oxford, and the publisher is Oxford University Press. We also add the language variety that the usage guide deals with, British or American English. Here it's British. And we enter how the usage guide is organized, whether it's alphabetical or topical or both. In this case, it's only alphabetical. The content of the book is hidden from public view by default, as shown by the ticked Hidden box. It stays like that until we have obtained a license from the publisher to make the content public. When we get the license, I enter the period for which it is valid. If required, we can also add notes to this record, such as "This is a duplicate record," which I will add now. Now when we look up the guide, it shows up in the search results. You can see that there are now two versions of Practical English Usage in the database, and that the one I've entered just now has no entries attached to it. We can use it by ticking the selection box and then click Add to Selection. We go to the Entry tab and click on Add New. Since the usage guide has already been pre-selected, it is automatically added to the record for any new entry. So, for instance, the usage problem regarding the use of between and among is item number 50, which I enter instead of the page number, since Practical English Usage doesn't use page numbers, but entry numbers. I copy the text of the entry from the Word document into the text editor window. If we now select List All, we see that there is one entry attached to this usage guide. So that is how we get this in here, and how we compile our database of English usage guides and usage problems. You can find out more about the database on our website, bridgingtheunbridgeable.com. The website also has a form through which you can request access to the database. You can like our project on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. We are @UsageGuides. We also have this YouTube channel. Please like and share this video. Thank you.